Electric cars are supposed to be the future. They're fast, quiet, cheap to run, and according to some people, better than gas cars in almost every way. But here's the problem. Not everyone agrees. In fact, while electric car sales are growing worldwide, something interesting is happening. A lot of people are starting to ask a simple question. Are electric cars actually worth it? Or are we being sold a future that isn't as perfect as it sounds? Let's start with the obvious. Electric cars do a lot of things incredibly well. The instant torque is insane. Even normal EVs feel quick. A Tesla Model 3 can embarrass plenty of sports cars in a straight line. That's impressive. Then there's maintenance, no oil changes, no engine, no transmission, far fewer moving parts. That usually means fewer things to break. And of course, charging at home is a massive advantage. Imagine waking up every morning with a full battery. No gas stations, no waiting in line. That's convenient. And if electricity is cheap where you live, running costs can be much lower than a gas car. So what's the catch? Well, reality. Because EV ownership can be amazing or incredibly frustrating. It depends completely on your lifestyle. If you live in a house and can charge overnight, an EV can make perfect sense. But if you live in an apartment, that changes everything. Charging becomes annoying, sometimes expensive, sometimes impossible. And then there's long-distance travel. This is where things get controversial. Gas cars are simple. You stop. Refuel in 5 minutes. Keep going. EVs are different. Road trips require planning, charging stations, battery percentage, weather, range. And yes, weather matters, a lot. Cold temperatures can significantly reduce EV range. High speeds also drain batteries much faster. That 300-mile range can suddenly feel much smaller in real-world conditions. And now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Battery degradation. This is one of the biggest concerns for buyers. Modern EV batteries are much better than people think. Many hold up surprisingly well. But batteries do degrade over time. That's unavoidable. And replacement costs? They can be brutal. We're talking thousands, sometimes much more. Then there's depreciation. This part hurts. Some EVs lose value shockingly fast, especially as battery tech improves and new models keep arriving. Why buy last year's EV when the new one has better range and faster charging? That's becoming a real issue. Now compare that to internal combustion cars. Gas cars aren't perfect. Fuel is expensive. Maintenance is expensive. Repairs can be painful, but they're predictable. People understand them. The infrastructure is everywhere. And for enthusiasts, let's be honest. Electric cars still struggle to replace emotion, the sound, the vibration, the character, a V8, an inline 6, a screaming V10. That experience is hard to replicate. So, are electric cars worth it? Honestly, it depends. For city driving and daily commuting, EVs can be fantastic, quiet, fast, convenient. For long-distance drivers, apartment living, or enthusiasts who love driving, gas cars still make more sense. At least for now. And that's the truth nobody wants to admit. This isn't really EV versus gas. It's about what works for you. Electric cars are not the perfect future. Gas cars are not outdated dinosaurs. Right now, both have strengths. Both have weaknesses. And for the foreseeable future, both will continue to exist. So the real question isn't, are EVs better? The real question is, better for who? Let me know in the comments. Would you buy an electric car? Or are you sticking with gas?